Good afternoon to students of class 10th. After 3 days I am posting new video that is from chapter electricity. In text question page 200 and page 202. These all questions I have given in your worksheet. Now your responsibility to watch the video and tally the question with your answers, and after that you have to do in fair copy. Before that I request you to subscribe my channel Hardeep Maths and Physics if you not subscribed till today. Your subscription and like and comments are motivation for me. I have consumed lot of time, lot of data for your studies, making videos, and that is your responsibility to like it, comment it, subscribe it and watch it completely. Now we will start class 10 physics chapter electricity in text question page 200 and 202 NCERT book. First question, what does an electric circuit mean? A closed path having conducting wires switches source of current. That compulsion is that current will be flown in that circuit with any device like bulb, TV, any other equipment is known as electric circuit. It is shown by that figure. That ampere meter and voltmeter are optional. That is a conducting wire. That is a source of battery. Conducting wire. This is ammeter. Then this is bulb. On bulb, that is in parallel connection. That is a voltmeter which measure the potential. Again wire, that is the switch. Arrow shows the current is flowing. And this is the electric circuit. If we remove ammeter and voltmeter, then it is called simple circuit. Now we will second question, define unit of current. We know that unit of current is ampere. That is named on its discoverer, Marie Pierre Ampere. It is denoted by capital A. Third question, number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. We know that 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb charge contained by 1 electron. We can write it 1 into 1.6. No matter, because 1 is the universal multiplicator, universal divisor. It can't affect on the value, magnitude or mathematical value of anything. Now we have to shift this portion 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into other side. That is multiplying here. When we shift it to other side, it will be divided. That is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 electrons. Shifted exponentially 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power 19 electrons. Divided, that is 0.6 into 10 to the power 19 electrons. Simplify it, we can write it 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. I hope you can understand. Now we will move to next question. Our next question is in text question of page 202. Name a device that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor. Any source of current, supplying current like battery, AC supply, DC supply, generator, any other device which can supply the electric current, that is for maintain the potential or potential difference across the conductor. What is meant by saying that potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt? We know that according to Ohm's law. Which law? Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that V equal to IR. V is SI unit volt, 1 volt. I SI unit ampere, 1 ampere. R SI unit ohm, 1 ohm. Take unit quantity of both, all the physical terms. Now we said that when 1 ampere current flows in any circuit in which 1 ohm resistance is there, then its potential difference measured as 1 volt. We can say its potential measured as, its potential difference measured as, that is all okay. Now next question, how much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6-volt battery? How many coulomb? Each coulomb. Each coulomb means 1. Q equal to 1 coulomb because given each coulomb. V equal to 6 volt. Volt is V is volt and volt is the unit of potential. 6 volt. Energy is W. We have to calculate W equal to V into Q. W. Put the values of V and Q. 6 into 1, that is 6 joule. SI unit of energy is joule and work done is a type of energy, so energy required is 6 joule. That is the answer. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. If you have any problem, then ask in comments.